Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into. Get ready to step into the world of transparent sandals as we explore the hottest trend of summer 2023. These chic and modern footwear choices are making a splash on runways and streets alike. So let's uncover the allure of transparent sandals and how you can rock this trend with confidence. Let's get started. But before we start, please support my channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. When it comes to footwear trends, transparency is taking center stage in summer 2023. Transparent sandals, crafted with clear materials such as PVC or lucite, offer a fresh and modern twist to your summer shoe collection. The see-through nature of these sandals gives the illusion of floating on air, adding an element of whimsy and elegance to your overall look. One of the most remarkable aspects of transparent sandals is their incredible versatility. These sandals seamlessly blend with any outfit, making them a go-to choice for various occasions. Whether you're heading to a beach party, a brunch date, or a night out with friends, transparent sandals can effortlessly elevate your style. Pair them with casual jeans and a t-shirt for a trendy daytime look, or wear them with a flowy maxi dress for a glamorous evening ensemble. With transparent sandals, your pedicure becomes an integral part of your overall look. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant nail colors or subtle pastel hues, transparent sandals provide the perfect canvas for showcasing your pedicure artistry. From classic reds and pinks to funky patterns and nail art, your toes will become a fashion statement in themselves. While transparent sandals exude a minimalist charm, you can add pops of color through playful accents and embellishments. Look for transparent sandals with colorful straps, vibrant insoles, or even embellished details like gemstones or studs. These small touches can make a big impact, adding personality and individuality to your ensemble. Transparent sandals have a magical effect of elongating your legs. By seamlessly blending into your skin tone or outfit, they create an illusion of longer and leaner legs. This makes transparent sandals an excellent choice for those seeking to enhance their silhouette and create a graceful and elongated appearance. While style is paramount, comfort is equally important when it comes to footwear. Thankfully, transparent sandals are designed with both aesthetics and comfort in mind. Look for sandals with cushioned insoles, adjustable straps, and sturdy soles to ensure a comfortable and secure fit. Additionally, transparent sandals are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for summer adventures. Let's delve into some styling tips and outfit inspiration to help you embrace the transparent sandals trend. For a casual and relaxed look, pair transparent flat sandals with denim shorts and a breezy blouse. For a more elevated ensemble, opt for transparent block-heeled sandals and pair them with a flowy midi skirt and a crisp white shirt. Remember, the transparency of the sandals allows you to play with different colors, textures, and patterns in your outfit. As we conclude our exploration of the transparent sandals trend in summer 2023, we hope you're inspired to add these modern and versatile shoes to your wardrobe. Let us know in the comments which transparent sandal design you're most excited to try. Thank you for watching and stay stylish, and please do not forget to support my channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons.